You can open them. They're all yours. You have 10 presents still. And it's 2 p.m. That means you got too many presents.
Over there.
What are those?
Candy canes.
Candy canes. You have a go-go candy cane?
Look at this. Down.
Gabby, come around so I can see your dress. Go stand over by your new doggy.
Wow.
So I can see your dress. No, that's not your new doggy. She thinks that's her dog, I hate to tell you. She's standing over by her new doggy. I meant her stuffed dog.
A collar.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Gabby, you sit on that. That's why it's called a sit and spin. No, not like that.
The yellow. That's how you sit on the yellow. Let's move it out.
She's doing. There you go.
There.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Her butt's on the. Her butt's hanging on the. There you go. Now you can go fast. Show Mom how you go fast.
Do it.
There you go. Woo!
I know. I'm talking
That's Pa's chocolates. That's Pa's chocolates.
Pause.
You gonna give Pa his chocolates?
Yeah.
Say, I have your chocolates, Pa.
Chocolate, Pa.
I don't know if he's out there. I heard you. Look at you. You're beautiful.
She's bringing you the chocolate.
Christmas girl. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Pretty, huh?
Well,
Welcome.
she said welcome.
Beautiful. Very pretty. Look at her. She's so cute.
Open up.
Isn't she?
Open it up.
Open up.
She wants S-H-A-R-E.
You want one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
I want one. What about your grapes and your fruit? No.
I'd rather have chocolate.
I need to see.